You've been going to the gym for months. You've lifted, sweated, pushed, and still, that one thought hits you every time you look in the mirror. Why am I still weak? You see others progressing faster, lifting heavier, looking bigger, while you feel stuck at the same damn level. But what if I told you, your muscles aren't the problem, it's your brain? And today, I'll explain why your mind, not your muscle, is holding your strength hostage. When you start lifting, your body doesn't immediately grow muscles. Instead, it first builds a connection, a hidden link between your brain and your muscles. It's called neuromuscular adaptation. Think of your brain as a Wi-Fi router and your muscles as devices. When the signal is weak, the devices don't perform well. That's exactly what's happening in your body. Your brain hasn't learned to fully activate your muscles yet. So even though you're training hard, your brain is still sending weak signals. You're not lifting with 100% of your potential, maybe only 40 or 50%. Here's the hard truth. Most beginners train their ego, not their nervous system. You rush the reps, chase numbers, copy others, but never actually feel the muscle working. Your mind is disconnected. That's why you see people curling dumbbells but building only half-developed biceps, or doing bench press for months and still feeling it in their shoulders, not chest, because the brain hasn't learned which muscle to recruit. So how do you fix it? Stop training heavy for a week. Train smart. Drop the weight by 30%. Close your eyes on some reps, move slow, control every inch of the movement, and imagine the muscle stretching, contracting, and burning. That's called mind-muscle connection training, and it's how pros activate full muscle fibers. You're teaching your brain, hey, recruit this muscle now. Once that link becomes stronger, every rep you do afterward becomes 10 times more powerful. After 4 to 6 weeks of true connection training, something crazy happens. You'll start feeling muscles you never knew existed. Your lift numbers will jump, your pump will last longer, and your body, it'll finally listen to your commands. That's when you realize it was never about the gym equipment, supplements, or genetics. It was about unlocking the switch inside your nervous system. So next time you step into the gym, remember this. It's not your body that's weak, it's your signal.